I, Manav Akela, present you an Android system application named iRegister with support of iEmbedded. This application belongs to teachers and our education system. You can download iRegister from its official website iregister.tk or from Play Store directly. My concept is just no paper. In our education system, lots of paper get waste. Teachers and staff getting heavy calculation. But by using iRegister, teachers and staff can do lots of paperwork in seconds without wastage of any paper. It's completely digital work. iRegister is an Android system application. It's obvious, but question arises why I choose Android environment. It's because it is open source operating system developed by Google, works on Linux kernel, works on different microprocessor architecture, works on different smart devices like mobiles, TV, smartwatches, etc. And the major one is everyone keeps Android device in pocket all the time. Since 20th century people are using pen and paper to store any data, but nowadays we are using mobiles. So if I found any necessary document, I pick a snap. Since 20th century, we are using post mails. The fastest medium is known as tar and also takes more than 10 seconds. But nowadays, we are using mobiles and SMSs or email which takes less than half seconds to communicate between one end to another. So, is this possible to embed both of them in smartphone with reference to teachers because our main focus on education system? Answer is yes, definitely. But how? For this, we have two ways. One is traditional and another is best. As traditionally, we can use text editor or spreadsheet software like Excel to take attendance of student and SMS client or email services to send feedback of student to his or her parent. And the best way, use iRegister and hang on. Now again question arises, what is iRegister? iRegister is an Android mobile application which works on Android platform. So again question arises how it works. In iRegister, students' name are displayed with front of checkboxes. Teacher can take attendance by clicking on present student name. Rest student got absent and text student are present. That's it? Only one feature? No, obviously not. Rest of functions are described further. It is the main interface of iRegister. iRegister can manage number of classes, but according to need of situation, we manage 5 classes. And in bottom side, delete whole database button can delete whole database of all classes. When a teacher click on any class, page is navigated to inner portion of that class. What if I click on CSE class, which is already created? After clicking CSE class, a page is opened which can be divided into two parts. One is basic info about class and another is button panel. Part basic info gives basic info about class of student just like current date, present students, etc. And each button of button panel is described further. When a teacher click on take attendance button, it will navigate it to list of students who are already enrolled in present class. In our case, class is CSE. When a teacher click on today button, it shows a list of students who are present as normal and absent students are highlighted. When clicked on export button, it will ask which type of exported file you want. Here iRegister support 4 formats: text file, Excel CSV sheet, send to mail and HTML view. All exported data is saved to iRegister folder in SD card. Here is a preview of exported data into Excel CSV view by Mobile Office software at left side and at right side HTML view by mobile browser Mozilla. By clicking on Get on Net button, it will show an IP address or web address On other hand, you can visit that address from your PC or other internet connected device to download exported file from your mobile device. When a teacher clicks on Add Student button, it will navigate to other page by which we can add one or more student rapidly. When a teacher click on Modification button, it will show 5 kinds of modification like change name of class, delete student detail and all that. Here its last button. When teacher clicks on Send SMS Report button, iRegister sends SMS to parents of those students who are absent since 3 days. Here are some applications of iRegister, like it can be used by teachers to manage whole database without any register, pen or paper and with no workload. And the other application is to report guardian for irregularity of child. Our future plan is to manage class test and exam results and to centralize data by using networking. So it's time to take feedback. If you find any bug or loophole or you want to suggest or you are not satisfied with our services, please write a review or comment. You can also mail or contact by visiting iregister.tk. With great regards and thanks, iRegister, presented and developed by Manav Akela, can be called as M8 with support of iEmbedded.